Okay.
What the heck is the ice for, though?
Okay, we're gonna talk about something here. It's a science experiment. Just
Okay,
move the
I know.
camera.
I know a lot of things about science.
You know a lot of things about science?
Yes,
Do you know about air pressure?
a little bit.
What do you know about air pressure? Tell me what you know about air pressure.
I don't know a lot.
Well, I thought you just said you knew a lot. If you don't know, say you don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, so we put a little bit of water in each of these empty pop cans.
Alright.
Okay?
Yep.
We're gonna turn this on.
Bubbly cans.
Okay. Just gonna turn it on medium. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna heat this pan up, which is in turn gonna heat the water. See the water sizzling now?
I don't see any sizzling water. What is the ice gonna do? Melt?
What's that?
What is the ice gonna do? Melt?
No.
Oh. How are you
So what we gotta do is we gotta get these cans hot.
And
Looks
then,
like we're burning a little bit of stuff over here already. Okay. Now the ice water is to show you what temperature change does. We're gonna get hot air, so the water inside these cans is gonna start to melt, evaporate, and it's gonna create steam that comes out of there, right? And then when you turn it upside down, there's a special something that's going to happen.
what? It's crisp though.
It's gonna be a surprise.
I don't know what's gonna happen. Don't tell me.
It's going to be in
our eyes.
It might be in your eyes. That's why you guys have safety glasses on. Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Holy shoot.
Do you see that?
Yeah, it's just like flattened. It's flattened. Crazy.
You want to try?
Yeah. I want to try. Is it hot?
You can't.
Oh.
Okay. Try it.
Why can't you?
So what you gotta do is I
Why
want you to take the green can,
do it.
pinch it, and then turn it upside down into
There's
the
the
water.
purple one for me.
Turn it upside down quick. Cool, huh?